Okay, time to change my number plates on my car. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So you need to go on the online. These are my private reg for my Golf. I did it on retention. So you either, if you bought it new, you'll have a different certificate. If you bought it and took it off your car, your old car, and put it into new one, you'll have a retention certificate. But yeah, you just go to DVLA, type in keep my reg or assign a reg, and then click the first link. It'll be the DVLA one. Then just follow it through. Just put in your logbook number and all that stuff for the new car, whatever you put on. Go through that, and then once it says you're ready to do it, you go for it. And then if you're not printed your plates already, go get them printed. These ones are printed already, as you can see, because they're from my last car. And I'm going to be hanging it on with the number plate holders, because these are heavier apparently than normal, so 3M might not hold them. That's what I was told anyway. But these are new ones because the last ones broke. Got them for £10, I think. For two, that's not bad. Hopefully they fit, and hopefully they're not flimsy. It's going to be a very tight fit though, because I tested it out with on here. It's very tight fit all the time. It's very tight fit. I don't know why they do it like that, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the car and show you how to do it. Can you see in the dock? Move back a bit if you need more light.
I can see.
So just taking all the screws off. Shouldn't use any, but to give you a light good. Is it this hole, yeah?
I think so.
Doesn't really matter, does it? As long as it goes in. Okay, on it. Bent quite a bit. Can you see what I'm doing here? This is going to be quite bent in it, because the front of this BMW is a bit bent. It's not the best fit in the corners. Do the job, I think. Can go from white. corners, man. Do you see these corners? Oh yeah, that's how you do it. Just need to get this corner in somehow, and then we're going to do the same on the back. But yeah, that's how you change your plates. So the plates are on now. They look pretty good. These are the back plates. Show you the light, how it can look. Looks alright, innit? Right guys, so as you can see, that's how you change your plates. Sorry about the first part being in darkness because the flash wasn't working for some reason. So yeah, so you're gonna see lots of videos on this car, by the way, so stay tuned. This is my new car. It's a fucking beast. There is a slight whine coming from the engine. I'm gonna get that checked, but we got a good deal on it either way because I had it reduced quite a bit. So if the timing chain has a problem, even if I do get it fixed, we'll be back to the normal price of the car, which is okay because I had it reduced quite a bit. So then yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, this is gonna be my new whip for the next few days, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing a lot of upgrades. We've actually already got 3 sponsors and I've not even drove the car more than once yet, and we've got 3 sponsors already. One of the sponsors actually came today. He was an OBD reader. Second one, we got what was the second sponsor? All LED lights at the front, and then just the bulbs, not the actual LED headlights. And then in the back we got some £500 headlights coming for free, guys. I wanted the clear ones, but they gave me the red ones, which is, I'm happy with that. I'm happy, more than happy with that. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.